What are the modal verbs? Modal verbs are special auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. They are essential in English grammar. Here are the most common modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Let's look at how to use these modal verbs starting with can. It shows ability, permission, possibility, and informal requests. Example using "Can I go to the park?" Could suggests past ability, polite requests, possibility, and offers suggestions like "Could I borrow your book?" May is used for formal permission and suggests possibility, such as "May I leave the table?" Might indicates possible situations, often less certain, like "It might rain tomorrow." Must indicates necessity or obligation, while shall expresses future intention, as in "we shall meet again." Should gives advice like "you should eat more vegetables." Will indicates future predictions, e.g., "I will call you later." Would is used for polite requests and conditional situations. Example, "Would you like some wine?" For more tips, just follow me and subscribe. Thanks for watching.